2, 3.
Hi, John and Marissa.
What was your favorite part about the wedding?
Dancing on the stage.
Was that your favorite part?
How did they make the stage?
How did they make the stage?
Yeah.
I don't know. Did you get nice gifts in your gift bag?
Yeah.
What did you get?
I get all kinds of stuff. Me too.
Okay. Did you get glow sticks?
Yeah.
What did the glow sticks do?
They glow. They glow.
They glow. And did you get chocolate?
Yeah.
Was that fun? And did you eat cupcakes? And what else did you do?
I know how yummy the cupcakes were. They were like this yummy. I ate half of my cupcake because I didn't want to eat all the sugar.
Wow.
Me too.
Me too.
I broke pieces on my cupcake, so I won't take a huge bite. I take little bites. And I took all the white sugar off it.
Catherine, what did you have for dinner?
There's all kinds of different food. Me too. I had bread and butter.
Right. And Catherine, did you have the lasagna?
I had lasagna too. I had big pieces of it, not round. I had a bigger piece than mine. Then I had the same big piece as the same lasagna as the size of me.
Wow. Okay, well say bye bye. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say bye bye, John and Larissa.
Bye, Larissa.
Say congratulations getting married.
Congratulations getting married.
Bye bye.
Can I see it?